If your deals are not showing in your pipeline inside Pipedrive, yeah, that can feel confusing, especially when everything looks fine. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you've selected the correct pipeline. Sometimes the deals are in a different pipeline and not visible in the one you're viewing. Next, check your filters. If filters are applied, they might be hiding some of your deals without you realizing it. Now check the deal status. If the deal is marked as won, lost, or archived, it won't show in the active pipeline. Make sure the deal is assigned to you. If it's assigned to another user, you might not see it depending on your access. Now check the deal stage. If the stage isn't properly set or visible in the pipeline, the deal won't appear where you expect. Finally, refresh your browser or log out and log back in. Yeah, sometimes it's just a simple sync issue. And that's it. These steps should fix most issues with deals not showing in your pipeline. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.